Welcome to My Domain. In just a minute, we'll get to the hands-on activity, which will require that you use different shapes in designing airplanes. Before we do, let's take a look at Riverdeep Interactive Learning's Destination Math tutorial. It's available free to NASA Connect educators. You can get to it from the NASA Connect website. It's part of the Mastering Skills and Concepts 3 section of Destination Math. With this lesson, you'll explore the geometric and algebraic characteristics of basic shapes. Teachers, this is an excellent tutorial that can give your students information and assistance as they prepare to do the hands-on activity for the show. In this tutorial, Digit explores parallelograms, trapezoids, and right triangles while examining the flags of some of the countries in the United Nations. Many thanks to Riverdeep for providing NASA Connect with this exciting instructional technology enhancement to our show. Now, let's do an aircraft design activity which you can do in your classroom.
We're from Pulaski Middle School.
Here in New Britain, Connecticut.
NASA Connect has asked us to show you this show's hands-on activity.
Here are the main objectives. You'll use algebra to calculate wing area and aspect ratio. You'll use a portable glider catapult to analyze wing geometry. You'll design, construct, and test an experimental wing. And you'll work in teams to solve problems related to wing design. The list of materials you'll need for this activity can be downloaded from the NASA Connect website. The class will be divided into groups of 4. Each group will use a portable glider catapult, or PGC, which your teacher made previous to this activity.
Good morning, boys and girls. This morning, NASA has designated this class as Aeronautical Engineers in Training. Your job is to test current wing designs based on distance traveled, glide, and speed observations. From your analysis of the data that you collect, you will have the task of designing and testing an experimental wing to achieve maximum distance traveled.
First, cut out the templates for the fuselage, wings, and horizontal stabilizers. Place the templates on the meat trays and trace around the templates. Cut out the shapes. Tape a piece of masking tape to the nose of the fuselage to prevent the nose of the fuselage from breaking. Students will calculate the wing area, the wing span, the root chord, the tip chord, and the average chord for each wing. The average chord can be calculated using this formula. Next, have students calculate the aspect ratio for each wing using the formula wingspan divided by average chord. Record all values onto the data chart. Prep the launch area by measuring 12 meters from the PGC. Mark the distance at 1 meter intervals. Place tables or desks of equal height to the launching line to elevate the portable glider catapult. Place a book with a height of approximately 5 centimeters under the front portion of the PGC. Select a wing shape to test. You will be testing 4 different shapes: delta, oblique, straight, and swept back. Attach a small binder clip to the aircraft to give it some weight in order to achieve maximum distance traveled. Position the aircraft on the PGC. Using a rubber band, pull the aircraft to the launch position. Then announce,
Clear the flight deck for aircraft catapult.
7 November, go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
You will conduct 5 trials for each wing shape. Measure the distance traveled in centimeters and record the value onto the data chart. Record your observations on glide and speed ratings using the scales provided from the lesson guide. From the data collected, each group will design and construct their own experimental wing. Design your wing to fly farther than the original test wings.
Okay, now, how successful or unsuccessful was your experimental design? What were the factors? Ressamy.
Mine had a lower aspect ratio.
Acorn.
Mine had a better swept back wing.
Special thanks to the AIAA Connecticut section and the AIAA mentors who helped us with this activity.
Thanks. We had a great experience today. And we encourage teachers to visit our website to learn more about the AIAA mentorship program in your area.